Hello viewers, today we'll discuss about new release asset management system. So basically we have updated the asset management system. Previously it was .NET 5. Currently we have upgraded, already updated to .NET 6 in our previous version. In the current version we have updated the login UI system and also the major functionality like multiple asset assigned, and also employee can log in using his or credential and can access just assign a asset. So if we log in as an admin user in the system, so this is the dashboard of asset management system. Recent asset is showing here, also the summary asset request. We have already incorporated the asset request, issue request from the employee. Total employee, currently this organization have 11 employees. This is, you can add new asset from dashboard as well with the barcode, assign asset, unassign asset. This is the summary, and this is the pie chart of total asset, and this is the recent registered user. So once you run this project, automatically this all data like dummy data will be created. So this is code first project, and all migration included in the code base. If you purchase this application, we'll share the entire latest code base, also the documentation. Let me open the documentation so that you can get an overview of asset management system. So we'll try to cover the basic documentation, so that this is the core features. So we'll share the latest code base once we extract the code base and the DB connection, and after you run the project you can see the UI, also the details, some common issue. So let me come back to the new release, new update. So we had added the purchase receipt in the asset screen. Previously we don't have this entity. So once you add this new asset, let me add this test asset, test a double asset, model name XCCD109, test asset, description TBD, unit price just for test price, also category. This is the barcode. You can change the barcode as well, and just if I change update barcode, automatically this barcode will be changes. So we didn't use any third-party tool generating the barcode, just simple JavaScript code, so you don't have any headache or worry about the third-party tools payment issue. So in entire project we did not use any third-party tools, and all the JavaScript library we have added in the locally. So this is very complete project. You have run without any worries. Finance sub-department. In the other info, there is a lot of fields here. So you can choose the asset image as well, also the parcel received. If I select, so let me just add the demo, like user account code operation. Okay, so this is the demo asset. So asset created successfully and ID in 16. So default image has been added. If I select the details, so here is the asset and here is the parcel received. You can see the receipt with the dynamic unique name. And if you click the download, you can later on, you can after 2 or 6 months later, you can check the asset purchase receipt as well, where from you purchased this by scanning this. And this download is done. And if I open this PDF, yes, code operation. So we have added this new feature, assign info. This resource is not assigned yet. This is completely free now. And this is the asset history. Once you create the asset or edit or assign something, if any action over asset, all history will be added here. Comment history, you can add comments as well in the asset. So you can print the asset so information if required. So we have another major changes like employee was asset. Previously, asset can asset wise employee. One asset can assign to the one employee, but based on the different client request, this will be good practice. One assign can hold multiple asset. So if I go to the employee details, so we have added a lot of additional fields. Let me add just one new demo user. First name, this is the demo data. I bind 1 2 3 1 2 3. So let me just add meaningful email address A1. So details, here is the details information. We have added this additional entries in this release. So also you can select the image, choose image, save, user created A1. Okay, so image has been added. So if we sign out and log in using this new user, what we can see, we can just see just asset request, requesting module, and issue, asset issue. Also the asset. Currently this user don't have any assigned asset issue from the admin panel. So if we log in, log out and log in again using the admin, so as the admin user, and go to the management. From user management you can asset the allocate asset. So here is the allocate asset screen, and here is a drop down. The drop down will show the currently available assets. So currently these computer chairs, if you join as a any organization as a new employee, and SP laptop, he or she need a computer chair, laptops, and others. Let me assign more laptops. So 3 asset we have assigned. Also, if somehow do not need to asset, do not need to this asset to this employee, so you can remove as well. So if we go to the details, allocate asset, currently this the employee hold 3 different assets with status assigning. And if we just remove one asset, yes, asset removed successfully. So this is the asset assign a new feature. So if we log in as the employee, which we have created newly, so here is the new employee, just 2 asset he or she can. Also employee cannot edit or delete any asset, just he or she can check, and also details his profile as well. In the profile section also see the allocation allotee cell. Also as an employee I can request new asset request with status. Admin user can check, update the status. Also if I face any issue with my new laptop, then I can request asset issue. So this is the major feature we have incorporated in this new release. Additionally, we have updated some backend bugs and refactoring the user management system. And currently, also we have some request like purchased requisition module. So we have a plan in future. We have add the purchased requisition module in this project. Asset history, so you can monitor the asset history, asset category. Once you create the asset, there is a drop down. So if you add more category here, all the data will be shown in that drop down automatically. So asset status, also drop down data, comments in the asset section, just admin user can check the comments, also delete the comments as well. Print barcode, so all the assets together you can print the barcode for tracking the asset. Request module, so this is for employee, and settings, manage supplier company info, manage user, this is the manage page access. So currently employee can access all the pages, that's why it's showing access yes. Audit log, so all data operation log you can check over here. So we have implemented audit log feature as well. So you can see just create operation, create and update all DB operation with table name. You can see what happens in the entire application. So hopefully you all like this application. So if you are interested to use this application to in your organization, also doing R&D, also study over ASP.NET Core 6 latest feature, this is the right place and this is the right application for you. So in this application we have already upgraded to .NET 6, which is long-term support. We have a plan to, if .NET 6 is mature, then we'll update to the .NET 6. And we'll share the documentation and also the guideline, also the tech support if you face any difficulties during this running this project. And this project is another important feature is this project supported multiple database like MSSQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL as well. So we have deployed this application in the Linux VPS. So if you are interested to learn more, we can guide you how to install deploy this application in the Linux VPS. So let me show you the live demo. So here is our live server. You can check the demo over here. So see, this is the live server we have deployed in the Linux server. So in the Linux server, we have installed a .NET Core 6.0 MSSQL server and the NGINX. Using NGINX, we have deployed this. So there is a learning curve for deploying. And if you have a organization plan, we can manage the deployments with some less charges. So this is the overall summary of asset management system. We have created the project and we have deployed the live server. So entire journey, there is a backend C# and in the front end we have used jQuery and DataDevil. So our system is pretty faster. Let me show you and paging, sorting, searching. So this is the, you can export. Let me go to the asset. You can export with different PDF. CSV also print, and here is the designation, here is the searching, which is pretty faster as well. So thank you for watching this video. If you are interested to this application, just go to the Code Canyon. Here is the link. I will share the link in the video description. From Code Canyon, you can purchase this application if you like this. So hopefully everyone like this application, and if you have any feedback or new feature request, also you can do that. I will share the details how do you communicate with us. So thank you again, see you in the next video. Bye bye.